Good afternoon, students. It's Wendi Fraser here from Canam in Australia. I thought I'd give you some tips and tricks to helping you find part-time employment in Australia. If you're planning on working in the food industry here, whether that's in a cafe or a restaurant, one thing that you're going to require is a food safety handling certificate. Now, this can be done online, but you may also find that your institute has that course, and it's just a short course, a few hours or a day's course, and you can complete that, and you will need that to be employed with handling food in restaurants and cafes. The other popular area is the service of alcohol. You need what is called an RSA, Responsible Service of Alcohol. Once again, you can do this online. It's not an expensive course to do, and you'll have your results the same day, and then you'll be able to work in cafes, restaurants, bars, hotels, anywhere that sells alcohol. I'm asked about what other sort of jobs can be found here in Australia. So we find that a lot of the international students work across many fields. The other one is very much in the building industry or crowd management when there's large events on. Once again, you will need a certificate for that. All of these things like the white card are very easily to obtain and only cost a few dollars, so they're not expensive. But supermarkets employ cashiers. Supermarkets need you to stock the shelves in the morning, the afternoon, the evening. One of the big markets is cleaning within the Airbnb market. So there's always a lot of work in that area. Basically, there's a lot of part-time jobs to suit around your study hours. So I've recommended in the past that you look at Seek, seek.com.au. They have a lot of the part-time work as well as the casual work. And you will find leading up to December that the actual part-time work hours will increase because you may not be studying, and secondly, because a lot of Australians take their holidays at that time, so businesses need to cover that holiday break, and you will find that you'll get a lot of additional hours over the holiday period. So have a look at your experience back in India and where you think that your skills can be utilised here in Australia in part-time work. Keep up to date with our socials, and we're here to guide you and help you to make sure that your time here in Australia is successful in your studies, but also the other side of having fun and finding that right employment. And as you know, you can reach out to me at any time for any assistance, and please utilise the Seek resume free tools, as well as in each state the study in New South Wales, Victoria, Adelaide, Perth, all the study centres. They have part-time job boards, as do your universities. So it's really important to go speak to student services, because the careers department will also have part-time jobs, and you can find out if they're offering any of the things like the food safety handling certificate or the RSA certificate, or the one to be able to work in construction and building. So stay up to date, and I look forward to assisting you whilst you're here in Australia. Thank you.